Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Georgette, as always. Thanks for visiting. And if you're new to me, thank you. And please don't subscribe as yet. Watch and then subscribe on the end. Like and leave a comment below. Today I'm going to talk about how to empower yourself when you feel powerless. Don't we all have those days when you are feeling as if there's no tomorrow? How do you empower yourself? Wow, that's a tricky one. But I learned that there are two circles that you have, like, regular people who spend 80% of their time in the circle of concern about the world, concern about everything, and 20% in the circle of influence. All right? And then you have the high achievers, the wealthy, the very highly successful, who knows better. And so they spend 20% in the circle of concern that they have no control over. Yeah, the things that you have no control over, what you're concerned about, they spend 20% of their time there and 80% in the circle of influence where they have control over. So let's break it down a bit now. So the regular, normal Joe spend most all its time in worry, concern about everything. And so that's why the regular people don't succeed. Because how can you spend 80% of your time just in concern mode and then 20 in influence? So influence is what you have control over. What do you have control over right now? Your relationships? That's your influence. So spend most of your time there. Your finances? You have control over that. Yeah? Your health? You have control over your health. Yes. What you put in your mouth? You going to jog? Right now, I'm getting ready to go get changed and go out to jog. You have the power over those things. So spend 80% of your time in that circle of influence. And yes, 20% of your time is in concern mode, And as you grow, it doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't happen overnight. And everything I always tell people, it has to become a habit. It is something that you do daily, or some things that you do daily. Because, like I say, the normal regular Joe operates 80% of its time in concern mode and 20% in influence. How do you start to change and break it down to 70? Is that you start to spend a little more time in doing stuff for your health, going exercising, jogging, some push-ups, if you never did that before. So now you're in 70% in concern mode. Eating healthy. You start to now eat the little salad, the kale. You start to prepare healthier meals. So now concern mode is now down to 60. Finances. You start to now document your spending habits. What percentage goes towards your bill so you don't live above your means? And at the end of the month, you never have money. You're always broke after being paid or making money in your business. You now want to document your finances, your overhead, your emergencies, what you put to saving, to invest, and into education to learn. So you want to now be in control of your finances. And as you start to get ideas and as you start to move closer into doing those things, then the circle that you're living in the concern mode goes down. And then you now start to gear more into the circle of influence. But that it's with daily habits. So when you feel as if you feel disempowered, no control over your life. And also we give away our control. We give away our control to our family members, to our spouses, And then you just feel so drained. You're not empowered. You don't have any vigor and vitality to life. You just live in concern mode where you worry about everything. You got to take control back, guys. And in taking control, it's amazing because I've learned these things, that when I feel like I've lost all my power and I don't feel empowered, I just look at my habits. It's in the habits. I never thought that that was true. Everything, success, wealth, feeling empowerment or empowered, it's in the habits. It's in the things that we do daily. And people think that it is something you chase after. I thought that one time ago. I really, really did. But it is not. It is in our daily habits, the things that we do. You have to be in control of your life, guys. And when you feel like you're losing it, just look, am I living in concern mode? Am I worrying about the bills? Am I worrying about my health? Then you can start to shift once you would have asked those questions. And then you can start to lower the concern mode and then move into influence. You want to then move into people that are living healthier lives. You want to now connect with them. Yeah? So that you can now empower yourself. You want to go and listen to blogs. You want to go and get a YouTube video to watch, to feel empowered. If you don't, I have some said, Georgette, I haven't exercised in so long. You want me to motivate you? I have to motivate my own self. Right now it's getting dark, but I'm going jogging, right? And so it's just what I have decided for my life, that I'm going to live more in influence, so much more than in the concern mode. I know that I need to exercise every day. The body, it says motion creates your emotion. I know I have to raise my vibration high every day. And that focus is at the forefront of me daily. That my vibration has to get here because the things that I desire is here. So I have to get there to meet the desire, yeah? And so the high achievers are aware, though. The high achievers in our society are aware that 20% of their time spends in concern mode. Yeah, because we all have concern. We all have concern about our finances, about our relationships, about our health. We all have concerns. But high achievers, the wealthy, the millionaires, the billionaires, they know that you don't live there. You don't live in concern mode. You live in influence, in learning, in growing, in being around the right type of people that not motivate you, because you really should be self-motivated. You should motivate yourself. But persons that are ahead of you, that just causes you to even drive a bit fast, drive the vehicle faster. Yeah, so that's who you want to be around. You see my mentors, every time I look at them and their stories on, I was just talking to one of my mentors today. I said, girl, I love the visual. She's on vacation. I think she's in Aruba. And I said, girl, I just love the visuals. I say, I'll be there too, honey. She said, absolutely. We'll be there on the yacht and I'll be able to hang with you. And so you want to hang with people. You want to communicate with people that are driving faster than you, yeah, to empower you even more. So you don't want to live in a place of concern. You want to live in influence, yeah? And so it doesn't happen overnight. Recognize your daily habits. Recognize that you're in concern mode all the time. Always concerned about something. But you're not living in the influence. What are you doing? What are the habits like? What are the health habits? Are you walking in nature? Are you saying the things to empower yourself? Are you talking to yourself in the mirror? Look at the daily habits, guys. When I was told that it's what I do daily, I'm like, oh, please, I just need to know how to make some money real fast. I just need to know how to do this to be successful. Success comes from your daily habits. Ooh, that's good. the very thing that we do daily. Our brain is programmed from the things that we do daily. I'm going to leave you with that. Our brain, a part of the brain that is called the subconscious mind, is programmed through our daily tasks. The things that we do daily is called our habits. So guys, I'm going to leave you. I'm heading out jogging. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please smash it in. Like, share in the link below. Oh, you want to grab that? I have a free gift for you guys. Yes, and then I have an amazing, unique sound. You want to listen to that to empower yourself daily. It's your girl, Georgette. Keep watching, guys. Keep watching. I have a lot of videos popping up. I am sending you a whole lot of love and light. Mwah. Bye-bye.